The recip shaft kit consists of a new blade shaft with the clamp already installed, a new shoe, a blade release lever, and mounting screws. The most common reason to need a new recip shaft kit is a damaged blade clamp. In some cases, the blade shaft itself can also break. Installing a new recip shaft kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the large screw on the underside of the shoe. This screw secures the locking plate. Now remove the shoe. It's secured with 4 screws inside of the shoe. With the shoe removed, I can go ahead and remove the boot. Now begin removing the cover plate. Now I can remove the shaft assembly from the saw. I'll tap on the bottom of the shaft lightly with a shop mallet. And I'll remove the bushing from the shaft. Now I can install the new shaft assembly. The felt block fits just in front of the opening for the bushing. So I'll line that. Bring the shaft back so that the elongated opening is over the pin. I'll actually go ahead and reinstall the bearing. Came out with the shaft earlier. And now I'll reinstall the bronze bushing. Just slide that over the top of the shaft. And I'll tap it into place. I'll apply some new grease around the eccentric, the shaft. Now I can replace the cover and I'll secure it with the screws. Now reinstall the boot, followed by the new shoe from the kit, and I'll secure the shoe with the new screws that came in the kit. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the new release lever that came in the kit. And now you know how to install a new recip shaft kit on your reciprocating saw.